A monster in the forest.
It's a spooky night in the unknown forest. The kind of night where anything can happen.
No one's around, right?
Wow! Looks yummy!
Let's hurry and eat everything before Scott wakes up.
What was that sound just now?
It was nothing, Piggy. Come on, let's eat.
There it is again! Maybe it's a scary monster!
Don't be silly. Monsters don't exist. It's a monster!
Yummy sausage.
Monster! There's a monster! Wake up, everybody! There's a monster in the forest!
What's going on? There's a monster? So tasty.
Hey, that's my tail!
Duda, wake up! There's a monster in the forest! There's a what in the forest?
You guys, there's a humongous and totally scary monster in the forest right now!
The monster's voice is so loud and strong that it shakes the ground.
Maybe we should pack up and go home, you guys.
Oh, I'm shaking in my ball.
I guess monsters are scary to you, Munchkins. Of course, I'm not scared of silly monsters. But if it'll make you scaredy cats feel better, then we can go home.
Let's go find the monster! I want to see a real live monster! Oh, but Duda, aren't you scared of monsters? Why should I be scared when I have Brave Scott with me? I know, right, Scott?
Yeah, right, Duda. Monsters don't scare me at all.
Yeah, with Scott by our side, we should be okay.
Are you sure about that? Okay, ready to head out? Yeah, let's go!
This is it!
Wow, it's a monster! Duda, it's hard to see with all this fog, so you shouldn't go off alone. We all have to stick together, okay, guys?
Okay, Dada.
We're gonna go now.
Oh, it's too spooky here!
Baby Puggy, don't leave us! I wonder what kind of monster it is.
You don't believe it's really a monster, do you?
But we just heard the monster roar!
Now that I've heard it with my own 2 ears, I can confidently say it's a bear, probably a very large bear. Oh, I found it! It says here, a forest bear has a unique growl. Hey, guys? Duda Dada!
What in the world is that?
Caber has disappeared. Where did he go? We heard the monster and then Caber just disappeared. To be honest, guys, I heard some stories about this monster. What? I heard that the monster who lives in this forest really likes foghorn flowers. It likes foghorn flowers? Do you mean those flowers that were puffing out fog before? Yeah, I heard that the monster grows foghorn flowers, and if anyone so much as touches one, it'll come out and snatch you away! We don't have time for this. Let's go find Caber. So if I touch a foghorn flower, then the monster will come out! Flower!
Duda, don't you dare! Monster, we didn't lay one finger on your precious flowers, okay?
What's the matter, Bubble? Don't you feel like we've been walking in circles?
Hey, don't be ridiculous, Bubble! Your mind's just playing tricks on you now!
Maybe.
No, Scott. I think Bubble's right. Bad news, guys. I'm afraid we've lost our way.
Oh, why won't the monster just come out already? I really want to see it. Oh, it's coming from over there. Huh? Hey guys, I found Caper's bug. Caper must be somewhere nearby. Caper!
Oh, Bubble! You can't run off on your own.
Dada!
Huh?
Bubble! Stop playing around and come out!
It's over there.
Wait for me!
Oh, the monster's not here.
Don't leave me and run off on your own. Just to make sure.
What are you doing?
Now it's just you and me, Duda.
What's the matter, Scott? Just before you said you weren't scared of silly monsters.
Well, I lied. I am scared. Monsters actually scare the living daylights out of me.
Follow me, flowers!
No, don't! Don't you dare touch them! Ah, that's it! We're goners now! How many monsters are there?
I think they're coming this
What were you thinking, dragging me through the dirt?
I could have sworn the sounds came from over here.
Ah, it's a real monster!
We're finally going to meet! Hello there, monster!
Get away! Leave us alone!
Is that Chico?
Chiku, what on earth is going on here? Huh?
Let me explain. You see,
Chico! It's a really foggy night tonight. But that's no excuse not to practice as usual. Yeah, yeah, huh. Huh?
help me down, Chiku.
What are you doing in my training obstacle?
I was walking by and got trapped. Oh,
Yeah, yeah, Chico.
he sure trains hard. Huh? Hey, guys!
Chico's here too?
Why are you making those weird sounds?
What? I have to make these shouts when I practice. It helps me focus. Pa pa pa! Cha cha! So the monster we heard was actually Chiku practicing his martial arts. What you talking about? A monster? Never mind. I want to try it too. Tell me if this is right. Hoi! Abiu!
That looks pretty fun! Whoosha-sha, basha!
Oh, anyway, guys, where's Duda and Scott?
Yeah. Oh yeah, Duda. I forgot all about Duda and Scott. Come on, we have to hurry and go find them. Duda! Scott!
Duda!
We'll never find them like this. We need to have a higher view to find them. Hey, Bubble, do you see anything?
Yeah, I can see way better than before.
Duda!
Scott! So there isn't any monster then? Oh.
Phew. Aha! Well, this is really disappointing. I was looking forward to giving the monster a real walloping.
I really wanted to see a monster.
Huh? Duda, stop that! You're gonna make the monster come out!
Monster! Catch me if you can!
you got?
It seems the real monster in the forest was the fog. But there's nothing to be afraid of when you're with your friends.